Hello everyone, welcome to 3DDesignAcademy.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Symmetric modeling tool. Now, once you have the model built across the center, you'll notice that if I were to make change to one side, it is not reflected on the other. So this is where the Symmetric modeling tool comes in. Now, to find the tool, you can find it over here. Now, in the palette, you'll notice that it is actually not located in the subdivision tab. It is because it's located under Object Edit. Now, the reason for that is because this Symmetric modeling tool is the same one that is used in NURBS modeling. Now, in order to use the tool, all you have to do is click on the model and click on Symmetric modeling, and it's going to be activated. Now, do notice that because the tool was activated, this CV over here was popped up. Now, if you would rather use the other side as the master, all you have to do is just click on flip master side, and this side is going to be reflected on this one. Now, one of the cool things about using Symmetric modeling tool with subdivision modeling is that a lot of the tools are compatible. So let's, for example, I want to insert an edge like this. All I have to do is just click, and you'll notice that the change is being reflected on the other side. Now, if I were to do a cut over here, you'll notice that it's also happening over here. And if I were to do an extrude, I'm just going to go ahead and pick all the edges like this, and I'm just going to do an extrude. You'll notice that the changes also happen on the other side in real time. Now, this also goes the same if I were to delete a face. So if I were to delete a face on this side, you'll notice that it's also gone here, which makes it actually really, really convenient. Now, once you are done with all the changes and you want to delete the construction history, all you have to do is delete construction history over here. And if I were to make change to one side, it is no longer going to be reflected on the other. Alright, so that is how to use the Symmetric modeling tool. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Want to learn Autodesk Alias and digital sculpting? Then become a member at 3DDesignAcademy.com, where you'll find hundreds of video tutorials ranging from basics, including curve creations, intermediate level tutorials such as this wheel, all the way to Class A modeling of the entire car exterior. Interested? Visit 3DDesignAcademy.com.